In this video, I'm going to show you the best web hosting for WordPress. If you want to see the best free web hosting platforms for WordPress, check out the link in the description down below where you can do that without any budget. However, in today's video, I'm going to show you legit good companies that you can trust with your hosting. What I'm going to do is simply show you multiple platforms that you can get started with for web hosting. Let's get into it. I'm going to show you all of them in a random order. They're not going to be from best to worst or the other way around. It's going to be totally random. The first one that I want to show you is called SiteGround. SiteGround is a popular web hosting platform, and I can see why. It offers web hosting including WordPress hosting, WooCommerce hosting, and cloud hosting. We're here for WordPress, so I'm going to go and click on the WordPress one. In terms of prices, they've got a couple of different plans. You've got the startup one, which is going to cost you $6 or €6 per month, €10, and then €14, which is probably going to be a little bit more in dollars. And if you scroll down even further, you can see all of the features that come with this. So let's find out what they've got to offer and for who this is going to be great. So for the normal plan, you can get one website. Then for the other plans, unlimited websites. 10 GB web space, then 20 GB and 40 GB. So once again, you can see just like with any specific website plan, depending on how many visitors and storage and all of that you need, you can choose your plan. I'm not going to go into that because that all depends on what you're trying to do. They're offering 24/7 availability, which is insane. That is really good. I highly recommend using a website platform that does that, because if you have any issues, you can reach out right away on SiteGround and they're going to be there 24/7. They have WordPress expertise, so you can reach out to people on live chat and just contact them and they will know what's going on. They will actually have expertise and they're always eager to help. That's really important too. If you have an issue and there's someone that doesn't even know how all of this stuff works, it's not going to help, but these guys definitely do know what's going on. And then, like I said, they're going to try and help you out really fast. Let's take a look real quick at the full service WordPress hosting for all types of websites. You can do a WordPress launch. You can do a WordPress transfer. So you can bring over your WordPress site in just a few clicks with the SiteGround Migrator plugin. That is really cool. That's a really good feature. They will manage the security and update it for your websites to make sure that you're secure. Then they also have a WordPress performance solution that dramatically speeds up your sites. That once again is an amazing feature. The faster your website, the better. They also have awesome tools for WordPress webmasters, such as free SSL certificates, daily backups, email service, collaboration tools, development toolkits, staging tools, and more. So overall, you can't really go wrong with SiteGround. The second platform that I want to show you is called Bluehost. Now, Bluehost is actually one of the most popular ones. It's not going to be the best one on this list, but is one of the popular ones, so shout out to their marketing team. They've done a great job at making this well known. Now, Bluehost is also known for their cheap pricing plans. For example, if I click on Get Started, you'll see all of the plans are really cheap. You can get started for a 36-month plan with only $4 or €3.27, which I assume is like $4. Then the other plans aren't even that expensive either. The most expensive one is going to be €12 or like $13 maybe, which still is not that expensive. Now all of that includes free domains for a year, unlimited websites, unlimited SSD storage, custom themes, 24/7 support, so pretty much the best features at all. Now if I scroll down, I want to show you, let's see where it is, that once again they've got 24/7 hosting support, just like on SiteGround, so that is really good. As you guys can see, they've got WordPress support, so if you click on learn more, you can find out what exactly they're offering for the WordPress plans. Now you can see that the pricing plan for that is already changing. So build and grow the perfect WordPress website with WP Pro. You don't have to do that, of course, but it is a possibility. Built for WordPress speed and excellence. Manage everything from one dashboard. So you can see this is kind of like an upsell or like a better option for you if you want to build your website with WordPress. If you're going to go with this, it includes unlimited websites, unlimited domains, unlimited subdomains, unlimited web storage, staging environment, and no traffic limits. So all of this stuff is pretty much unlimited. So I can definitely recommend Bluehost if you're a beginner. It's a good platform. They know what they're doing. They've done a great job at marketing this. There are a couple of cheap pricing plans available. Overall, it's a pretty decent platform. Number 3, Godaddy. Godaddy is once again a really cool platform that you can use for your web hosting. Now, this also offers domain names and also offers hosting. You can even get started with your website or store for free, as you can see right here. However, if you don't want to do that, you can click on WordPress, and then you'll come across this, which is going to be WordPress hosting, which is exactly what we're looking for here. Now, if I scroll down, we can see the pricing plans. They start at just $7 per month. The best one, according to them, is going to be the $13 one, but that's just going to be an upsell, but I'm pretty sure that the features will line up with that. Now, the WordPress hosting benefits for this specific platform is that there is a 99.9% uptime promise and a money-back guarantee, which is always good. They've got a CDN boost for faster load times of up to 50%. You're going to get a free business email for the first year. So that's going to come with a domain like an @ and then your whatever it is. Automatic WordPress core software and security updates. The latest version of PHP 7, a temporary domain name, free 24/7 support. That's really important. I've already said that in today's video. One-click migration tools. It's great for beginners with pre-built sites and drag and drop editor. So you can see that this stuff is really good and it's really focused on like first-time website builders or just beginners in general. So I can also highly recommend this one. Now, apart from the fact that this is maybe a little bit more expensive than Bluehost, this is still really reliable and one of the best ones out here. Then we've got HostGator. HostGator is also pretty well known, but not as well known as Bluehost or any of the other ones, although they do offer, in my opinion, way better hosting. Hosting for every website. There's unlimited storage, unmetered bandwidth, unbeatable hosting. This Gator's got you covered. So you can also get a free domain for a year, which is pretty cool. Now that of course depends on which plan you're gonna go with. However, as you can see, the only like $2.75 per month. That's insane. That's really cheap. It's gonna get you a single website, one-click WordPress installs. So it is powered with WordPress, a free SSL certificate, so that you can get the secure thing right there. A free domain. So honestly, this plan, like $2.75, that's a winner, guys. That's a winner. So what you can get is all of these free features. So unlimited storage, a meter bandwidth, domain registration, SSL certificates, and one-click installs. If you scroll down even further, you also come across a free refund for the first 45 days is guaranteed. 24/7, 365 support, 99% uptime guarantee. So that's once again a guarantee. E-commerce tools, $150 in Google Ads, which is cool, and cPanel access. If I scroll down even further, once again, really important, WordPress is indeed included. And if you scroll down even further, you'll come across the different plans. Now, even the best plan is really cheap, like $5.25 a month. Compared to the other ones, that is not that expensive, and they do have all the features. So honestly, if you want to take a look at the performance and then pricing, HostGator might win on both, as the pricing is really good, but the performance is also outstanding. So honestly, I kind of recommend HostGator from all of the platforms that I've shown you so far. So yeah, that is pretty much the hosting platform that I would recommend using. Two more that I do want to mention real quick are WP Engine and HostGator. Like I said, in the free version of all of these platforms, once again, I'll leave a link down below. HostGator is the company that's also doing 000 web hosts, which is a free one, but they do have a paid one too. Now they've got a lot of different options. If you go to WordPress hosting, you can see what this looks like. It's quick, secure, 99.9% uptime, has a lot of features, and it's really cheap as well. For a single WordPress website, you're only going to pay $2 per month, and it comes with these specific features. It's not the best in terms of features, but that's of course what they do, because they make it cheap, then they don't include all the features, so that you'll then eventually like pretty much buy the more expensive plan, and then they'll make more money and you'll have more features. Optimized for WordPress hosting, which is good. Apart from that, they also have WP Engine. Now this is also a hosting platform. If you go to the features, you'll see that it's also made for WordPress. And then as you can see right there, WordPress. If you scroll down, you'll then see the features once again. So 35% of all the websites are built on WordPress. If you scroll down even further, you'll see their partners. So this is not the best platform that I would go with, and this platform is not even that cheap. If you guys go to pricing, you'll see that it's actually pretty expensive, or it's going to be like $300 per year. Compared to the other ones, it's going to be way cheaper. So those are pretty much the best web hosting platforms. I would recommend HostGator. I'm not going to leave any links in the description down below, so I'm not going to make any money off that. So please leave a like on the video, that would help me out. If you have any questions about any platform, let me know, and then I'll see you in the next video.